Is somebody trying to tell me something? Whoever submitted this clip, F you. Oh my god.
Let's walk forward a little bit.
Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. They're forcing that woman to go in there?
Gosh. Take a look around. You're alright. You're alright. And I want you to be prepared because it's likely they're gonna land on you.
Oh my god, I swear to god, I would fucking lose my mind. I would lose my shit. I would lose my fucking shit. I would lose. You know what? Have you ever seen those cartoons where the cartoon runs away and like he runs and there's like a shape, a hole in the shape of their body in the wall? That's gonna be me.
Okay. Okay, there's one on my head.
I can't believe that bitch. You just let a bird land on your fucking head? What the fuck? Are you fucking crazy?
Right
Oh my
now.
god. Oh my
You
god.
okay? Hey, look behind you.
She's clearly traumatized. She's clearly upset and clearly traumatized.
Can I walk in front of you?
Oh my god, no.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, you're alright.
Are they? Oh my god. Are those birds trained to do that shit? Is somebody calling them saying, land on that woman right now? Fuck that shit. This is not fucking therapy. This is fucking torture.
There's another one. Okay, stand by because there's another one on my head.
Oh my god, this poor woman. Get her out of there.
No, please get away from me.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hang on.
She looks like she's laughing though. I don't know.
It's not on you.
It's like my worst nightmare because it's even beyond what I ever imagined.
Remember,
I don't know. She looked like she was laughing. I will fucking be crying. I would be fucking. I wouldn't. You couldn't even catch me walking into that shit. I would not even walk in there. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Exposure therapy.
is not designed
Fuck
to
that
hurt
shit.
you in any way.
I was in complete shock because I couldn't really wrap my mind around 50 birds swarming all over the place and landing all over me.
So can I get out some food for them?
That's true. Some people do react to their fears with laughter. That is very true.
And then
Stop. Get it off me, please,
okay,
please, please.
you have to let go of my hand. Let go of my hand.
Yo, fuck that bird. That bird lands on me. That bird lands on me.
I'm getting it off.
Oh my god.
He's a very friendly bird.
That's not no friendly bird. Look at its talons.
On you, but he didn't do
Look at its talons on its bird
Better you
feet.
did when this bird
Look at
landed
its
on you.
razor sharp beak. That's not no friendly bird.
At
That's
this
a fucking
point, I'm
menace to
feeling
society.
like I don't want to be a wuss. I better man up and regroup because I feel like my confidence level is at a 6.
Man up and regroup. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You know what? So what? So what? People are afraid of birds. That's fine. Some people are afraid of cars. Some people are afraid of space. Some people are afraid of clouds. I'm afraid of fucking birds. Fuck you. That doesn't make me any less of a person. Man up my asshole.
You're okay. It's not on you.
Oh my god.
You're doing great.
Luann's anxiety level is really high right now. For this exposure to be effective, she needs to be in the moment and experience the anxiety.
Oh my god. She needs to be in the moment and experience the anxiety that is taking over her body.
That she's feeling.
Oh my god. Don't peck at me.
He won't peck at you. Just trust the process, right? Curious, they love buttons.
This is my therapist voice. Everyone, we could all be calm and just relax and just enjoy the feeling of the birds on your body. Oh my god, I can't talk like that for long periods of time. What the fuck?
moment that fight or flight reflex is hitting her.
Bird up. You got a bird up.
Birds are tasty.
I don't like the energy that we're producing in this room today.
How do I get Mad Mouse out of my head? Incoming with a bird suit.
Thank you for 2 months. Thank you for 2 months. Fuck. Oh god. That hurts my throat.
Oh my.
Now just relax. Relax and just insert this up.
My God.
How does that feel? Getting easier?
Yeah.
It takes a while, but I can see that Luann's anxiety is starting to come down.
I feel like the 4th of July. She sounded kind of like that. What's her name again? Jennifer Coolidge.
But we're not done yet.
We're not done yet. There's so much to work on. Now everyone just relax. And insert this. I don't think I'll ever be able to replicate that voice ever again. That was like an in the moment thing.